In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extensions from Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If your browser is feeling slow, cluttered, or just acting strange, removing extensions you no longer need is one of the best things you can do. It only takes a few seconds, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click on that menu to open the main settings and options panel. From the menu, move down to extensions. When you hover over or click extensions, you'll see an option called Manage Extensions. Click that option to open the extensions page. Now you'll see a list of all the extensions installed in Microsoft Edge. This is where you can review everything that has been added to your browser. Find the extension you want to remove. If you're not sure which one it is, take a moment to read the names carefully, since some extension names can look very similar. Once you've found the extension, you'll usually see a Remove button next to it. Click Remove and Edge will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the extension. This confirmation is important because it makes sure you don't remove something by accident. Click Remove again to finish the process. The extension will now be deleted from Microsoft Edge and it should no longer appear in your browser. If you want to remove more extensions, just repeat the same process for each one. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove extensions from Microsoft Edge. It's a simple way to clean up your browser, improve performance, and keep only the tools you actually use. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.